Here's something for you. Today's video is going to be 100% filmed on my iPhone. Let's see how it goes. All right, day in the life. Here we go. Freddie showed up yesterday on his trigger. Today we're gonna ride, but before that, we gotta take care of a few projects.
Yes.
We're gonna take that girl out with Trigger. If y'all don't know what that girl is, Freddie, tell him.
That is a BMW R18.
Here we go. First stop, we gotta check on the cabins we're building here, Freddie.
Yes.
Yeah. Got my boy Charles putting in work. We're working on them. We're building them for the campground and we're selling them.
Oh, cool.
We're using all of our live edge cedar siding like that treehouse up there.
Yeah, yeah.
Check it out.
Yeah, that's kind of the signature.
Yeah, that's our signature. My house.
This one looks so good.
Thank you, man. I like that.
You okay?
Yeah, I think it gives it a nice rustic look. He's talking about the bottom of the rafters coming out. Yeah, that looks really good. Really, really good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. He started out, he remodeled all the cabins in the campground, every one of them. And now, and he did such a good job. I was like, all right, buddy, let's start building cabins together. Yeah. This will be like an actual tree in here, you know? And I'll have all that live edge cedar on the side and the shake up top. Just like my house or just like the tree house. It'll be all self-sufficient. The plumbing will come out. You can plug it in just like an RV. It's on skids. You'll be able to tow it around, move it to wherever you want. It'll have a spot for a generator plug-in, spot for you to plug in your water, and a spot to run your sewer out. It'll have a shower, toilet, kitchen, fridge, oven. It'll be a completely fully
Stay there.
yes, you should stay there, Freddie. We should build you one.
Yeah.
This is the mill where we make all the, I say we, where Daryl, look at him, makes all the siding. It is, this is going to be for some of the walls in there. It'll eventually be the siding inside the cabin. We'll plane it all out, mill it, or it's already milled, plane it out.
That's going to be the walls?
That's going to be the walls, yeah.
Oh, cool.
All painted white.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it'll all be shiplap.
Yeah, yeah.
We'll put a shiplap edge on it.
Oh, there's more pine.
Yeah, that's more pine there too.
Well, that's got 3/4 for trim.
It's gorgeous.
But I got this. Run out of room. I got some stacked here, some there, some there.
You sure enough do.
It's going to be like a humidor.
It'll be nice.
Oh, yeah.
How you doing, Plant?
Doing pretty good, man.
Good. Got Chucky and Matt. Look at these two.
Oh yeah,
What's going on, Chucky?
making plans. Gonna check out these doors and see what needs repainted and make them look better.
You're a good man, Chucky. Good man. What's up, Matt?
Don't tell him that.
Why, Matt? That's the truth.
Because he'll get a big old head.
Chucky ain't never had a big head, have you, Chucky?
Not on purpose.
He's a,
That's his alter ego.
it's a fair.
That's the alter ego. When the DJ Chucky comes out, you better watch yourself.
DJ Chucky gets a little wild. And that maintenance right there is exactly why that old tractor's still running. The old Kubota. You take somewhat care of it, and it'll look like that after, I don't know, I think that's like a 1999 or maybe a 2002 or something. It's an old tractor. And it's been moving logs like that the entire time.
Sir, your chariot awaits.
Headed to feed. What are we feeding, Freddie?
What are we feeding? Oh, catfish.
The catfish.
What are we feeding them now? We got like stuff that I probably want to eat.
We got ribeye and mashed potatoes, Freddie.
What?
We're feeding them ribeye and that. They're good. They're good.
Those are well-fed catfish.
They're well-fed catfish. They're the catfish you want to catch. Bigger than that side-by-side. Look at that trash someone left here. Left their sticks, which is cool. Don't leave your trash. Anyhow, you kind of see them poking out of the water over there. It's where the railroad threw rocks in here so that they wouldn't erode. It's where the steam engine stopped in the 1800s to pump water up the railroad onto the engine. It stopped here between Oklahoma City and Dallas, I believe. So there's some huge rocks down there, and catfish love to sit in them. So I feed them my scraps.
That looks really good.
Would you like a bite, Freddie?
No, I'm good.
Come up.
Yeah.
so you drop by you.
The weather is getting better. It is almost, oh man, I need to clean my lens.
Yeah.
It is almost time to go ride. It's gonna be beautiful. Is this for the company lunch, the luncheon?
Yes, sir.
So every Thursday we do, the campground hosts a lunch for everybody that works here. We all come together and we just eat. So we'll eat, then we're gonna go photograph the cabins
Okay.
for the website, and then we go ride.
Then we go ride.
My favorite part of the
Okay.
meeting, Cheryl's
I'm
gonna make everybody
with
answer
Matt.
questions.
I'll let him go first this time.
Oh, Matt.
Would you rather always find a parking spot or never have a technology glitch?
Ooh, Matt.
Those don't have anything to do with each other.
Daryl.
Technology glitch?
Yeah, I'd go with technology glitch.
I'd rather have a parking spot versus a technology glitch because I don't deal with a whole lot of technology other than here at work. But that's a given.
That's gonna glitch.
I would say technology glitch also.
I'm gonna say parking space.
Parking space.
Oh.
Yeah, 2 parking space.
Yeah, man.
Because I'm
Think
technology.
think about like crazy situations.
Ashley, dine in or take out?
Take out, because then you can go and have a picnic. You can take it anywhere.
Kathy,
Same thing.
Take out.
Well, I guess I'd rather have a picnic. So, take out.
all right. Hey,
No, take out. Yeah, I like that idea. I'm glad she went before I did. But yeah, take out.
I'd go with a takeout, that way
Yeah, take out.
I can enjoy it wherever I want.
Definitely not dining in. I go into restaurants.
Just depends on the situation. Because if it's got a buffet in there, a fat girl gonna dine in. Just saying.
I would say dine in.
Dine out. And because we're dining out right now.
There you go. There you go.
For me, I would rather dine in because my successful takeout order fulfillment record is less than satisfactory.
Not very good.
Yeah, they always screw it up. What if it's that fancy dance show you saw in Mexico? You performing there or are you observing?
And I'm just gonna observe and watch.
Depends on how much alcohol's involved.
There you go. That's another good answer.
I learned from observing and then performing, so I'd have to say observe.
Form.
Perform?
Yeah, I'd rather be part of it than just watching.
Observe.
All right, great.
Perform.
All right, yeah.
I gotta say, if I don't know what we're talking about, I'd rather observe. It's like a full campground tour, Freddie. The stage.
A lot of rock stars are gonna stay there eventually.
Yeah, man.
Probably most of the country would just be with me.
The treehouse.
What talent wouldn't want to stay there and then play there? And then you're done playing and all you gotta do is walk over to there. Right?
I mean, it is a pretty sweet setup. My website has been less than ideal, Freddie. It's just my photos have been outdated.
You got updated, yeah.
Yeah. You know, it's like
Everything looks so good.
sometimes the painter,
Yeah.
or no, sometimes the mechanic has the worst running car. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Sometimes the painter's house needs painting.
That's kind of true.
When you do it all day,
Yes.
you don't want to go home
You
and
ever,
do
you
it.
ever go to a tattoo artist with really bad tattoos, but they do an amazing job?
I have.
And you're like, huh, I saved money and...
Best view in the whole campground, if you ask me. Right here. Overlook the whole operation.
It's nice though.
It is beautiful. About time to ride.
It is, yeah, you want to get going?
2 more cabins I gotta film. These are some of my favorite ones right here, Freddie. They are kind of rustic and cool. We did this, you know, this is some of that like siding, like we were gonna do that other cabin. Like we made every bit of that out of old aged reclaimed lumber, you know? So you got a bunk up there. You got a bunk there. Yeah, baby.
That's what I would need.
I know. You got a sink,
Seeing like your bird.
microwave, oven, mini fridge. and
This guy's dream.
a bathroom. Yep, treehouse. Look at this view though. You can see the river.
Yeah. It's so nice with the leaves gone right now.
Perfect view
Yeah.
of the stage. Feeling good up here, huh, Freddie?
Yeah. You really are. This is one of my favorites.
And now we ride, Freddie. Today we're gonna try. I've tried these on once, but I haven't really tried them to ride them yet. They're the new Climb kind of adventure boot. It's more of like a hiking boot than like a real off-road boot, but it's got kind of a soft, flexible sole, and I think it might be perfect for riding the R18. Jason? Huh?
Adam,
Huh?
you've got some killer feet.
They, I'm ready.
I'm here all night, folks. Tip your waiters.
Comfy too, they're light. This is perfect boot for riding a bike like this. Or if you're taking like a dual sport like downtown, but I wouldn't do any hardcore. A little bit gravel road, a little off-roading, fine. But I don't like to ride in tennis shoes. I won't ride in tennis shoes. Huh? Man, I feel fast. Ready? I feel fast.
You look really fast. Wow, you're really fast.
Feel fast, baby.
No, but you are. Yeah. Yeah, about 4 feet.
I mean,
Yeah.
maybe 6.
Yeah, maybe 6. I mean, it's kind of cool. Is you never have to like use a door to a fence ever again. Oh, wow, that's wow. Man, big man. I don't want. I feel like I'm in. Remember that Mike Tyson video game?
BMW, we knock them out of the park.
Yeah.
Let's ride this thing.
Yeah, let's do it. This bike was going to be that fast.
It certainly is,
Yeah,
Fred.
and the thing is it's not top end, but the torque. Once it hits its torque, it's gone, and then you have to go way faster than you're going to catch up the distance now that you've separated us. So
Yeah.
that really does go to prove that torque kind of wins in a real life situation.
I think so.
Yeah, for sure. Ah, yes.
Oh,
God's meats right here.
Spearmans.
Yes.
Look at that. Does it pass the test?
Passes the test.
All right, I'm getting in.
I believe in mine.
Before Freddie. We have returned. The lighting looks like, if y'all want to see the lighting. This is a fun bike. This is a fun bike.
It's so interesting. It's polarizing.
It is very interesting. It's a piece of art, man.
It's gorgeous. Yeah, the LEDs too. Manufacturers, you could learn a lot from BMW. It looks so good going down the road.
Does it look good?
Yeah, just give them stock.
Yeah, LED should definitely be stock in every motorcycle ever
looks
made.
so good going down the road.
It is it's refined, like even like you were pointing out, even like this neck, like look at the way this is formed. I mean, it
is a piece of jewelry, man.
it is a piece of jewelry. Well said.
It's so good.
It's unique, that's for sure.
Yeah.
And that, my friends, is a day I mean, half a day in the life. We all recorded on this iPhone. And hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today, seeing a little bit of work, some of the projects, some updates on the campground, and a little motorcycle riding with an American hero and a very good friend of mine, Freddie Nograms.
Oh, and great weather today.
And great weather today. Well said, Freddie.